What was the other thing I was going to say? Yeah. Uh-oh.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Retired Renovators, the YouTube channel that my husband Gary and I have put together to document the progress in our big brick house in Paducah, Kentucky. The house came with a carriage house and the big house. We have renovated the carriage house and now we're working on the big brick house. I'm Carol, and as I said, my husband Gary, together we're working on these renovations. Now, you haven't heard from us in a while for a couple of reasons. One is I've been in Italy for about a month and a half. Hi, Grace. And so I obviously wasn't able to do any work there. And then about a month ago, I had total knee replacement surgery, and so I'm still recuperating from that a bit. So it's cold outside, we don't have any heat in the house, it's hard to get work done, and so we're heading down to the Caribbean tomorrow as a matter of fact. But meanwhile, especially while I was gone and the weather was nice while I was in Italy, Gary was working here and made a lot of progress. So we haven't shown you sort of our update of where we are in the house and the change of plans, and I thought this would be a good time to do that. So I'm standing in the area that will be our master bedroom, and it's hard to see all the changes here, but Gary really got a lot done while I was in Italy. So he pulled down this wall and put in support beams. So the bedroom goes all the way out, shares a wall with the kitchen, and then added this whole back wall in from the foyer. So now you have a better sense of seeing where the bedroom is. It looks pretty massive at this point. It is large, but it's the bedroom, the bathroom, and the closets all head back there. So we put in new studs or new joists up here to make the ceiling stronger, the beams, the walls. Most all the walls that are coming out now are out. It's really quite exciting that we're putting things back into the big house now. If you could take just a minute and hit the subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. It helps with the analytic numbers for YouTube. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. It'll show that somebody's watching the video. Hey, feel sorry for me, I'm using a cane. And that would be great. All right, thanks. All right, well, we're standing in, we don't really know what this room is called. The living room, the little living room, the foyer. It's just a small room off the living room where, be a nice sitting room. And so you can see behind me, this is a new wall. We were planning to turn the stairway, but for a bunch of structural reasons, we decided we couldn't do that. And so we put up this wall to shore this up because it was really too saggy and needed some more structure. So it's super solid now. We're very excited that when we made the decision, it clearly was the right decision to make. I think it's a question of both, like, what are your plans for the house, but also you have to let the house sort of let you know what it can be. And the house clearly was fighting back on our plans for the stairway. So we gave up and we're very happy with this decision now. Okay, right in there.
Look in there. Hello, everybody.
This is the daughter Grace, the Reverend Grace Pardon Allworth. So she helps out with the big house when she's got a little bit of free time, when she's not so busy with all of her other stuff she's got going on. So she and Mr. Retired Renovator right now are working out on the porch because we decided what with my rehabilitation of my knee, I should not be hanging outside the porch right now. So I'll see how long I can milk that.
A year and a half into the knee rehab. I still have a new knee. I can't do dangerous work.
That's right. All right, say goodbye, Grace. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Grace. Hello, everybody. It's nice to meet you via YouTube. welcome to my room of the big brick house. I love this room because of the amazing light and the amazing large windows. I think the shape of the room is really excellent too. I love the roof line, and of course, as someone who lives in a very tiny house, I love the footprint of this bedroom.
So in this room, what we did a lot of was mostly taking out lots of walls. So at one point, we had, I think, 3 separate rooms in here and just kept tearing them out and eventually decided this would be just one big open bedroom in the back. So it took a while to get all the lumber down, and we've put up some new walls here and there. Pretty fun. So that's cool.